People keep telling you money is the evil, but tell you what, money is not the evil if you know how to use the money. If you let money use you, then money is definitely the evil. But if you learn how to deal with money and how to make money work for you, then money is the most beautiful thing you can get, because money can get you these beautiful views you can find nowhere else in the world. You may earn a lot of money and keep them in the bank to multiply them, but the truth is it ain't gonna do any good for you. You have to know how to use money properly, and you have to know how to make diversified plan for money, how to utilize the money to get you such views that gonna blow your mind. So just simply look at this. It's so heavenly. You can just forget about everything, all the pains in the world and all these stresses you are going through, and enjoy the view. Just take a look. People always tell you money can't buy happiness, but you know what? Actually, money can buy you happiness, because walking on the shore of a beach, or especially in Saint Martin in Bangladesh, it can bring you a lot of happiness. It's really so warm and so nice to be here. The weather is so fantastic that I just don't want to leave from here. I've been here for last 3 days, and I've been walking, cycling, and chilling with all my friends. Look, they are enjoying here. You see, we all of us here, we don't really have much money, but what we have is we have the willing, we have the desire to do something that make a difference in our life. We are not gonna live some kind of boring or you know uh, routine life. We wanna make it count. Every second is important, every day is important, even every penny, every single penny you earn, every single dollar you earn are important. So if you know how to make it count, it is important. I don't really have an iPhone or an expensive mobile phone, but uh, I have a moderate mobile phone, and that's it. So why I mentioned about my phone, the reason is simple. I don't spend my money for materialistic gains, but rather I would always prefer to spend it on things that matter, spiritualistic things, like enjoying the views in the beach. If you hear the sound of wave, it's so beautiful. You can just sit here for hours and hours and enjoy the sound. No one is around, you can enjoy it all alone. See, you can never find such places without people, without any noise, any artificial noise, no vehicles, no annoying people, nothing, no stress, no tension, but all beautiful nature and the beautiful sea. So this is how you gain happiness, and money can buy you happiness, but you have to know how to earn money. To earn money, you have to be smart, and smartness comes from reading books and gaining experiences. So what kind of books you should read? You should read books that inspire you and teach you something. Also, you have to learn some kind of technical skill. Only only educational qualification ain't get you anywhere. Even some academic study ain't get you anywhere. You have to develop some kind of technical skill to earn a lot of money. And also you just don't have to learn a technical skill, but you also have to learn how to use your money, how to manage your money properly. So I am suggesting you read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Also, you can read the book by Don Locke, F.U. Money. Also, you can read Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. These are the books you need to read to learn how to manage your money. If you don't know how to manage your money and how to utilize your money, money will always turn into evil for you. So basically, that's it. Money can buy you happiness, but first of all, you have to know how to manage your money. if you learn it, then yeah, you can chill like this. You can have a fantastic I don't care, morning, noon, afternoon, night, in a beautiful beach. And it is really beautiful. Life is beautiful when you know how to manage your money. So see you guys soon again. Thank you so much.